Welcome to another episode of Miniature Minute. Today we're going to be talking about tints. Starting with a zenithal painted model is the best way to get the most effect out of tinting. If you want to know more about zenithal priming and zenithal painting, go ahead and check out this playlist. There's a video here in Miniature Minutes that actually covers that. Tinting is a very easy process. It's simply just taking a high pigment but thinned down paint and airbrushing it over the model. Because we're shooting it through an airbrush, it's going to come out atomized, and it's going to be able to show the undercoat through the actual tint. This is why it works so well with zenithal highlighting. Having a high pigment count is very important, and the reason why for that is because if you do this step with a cheaper or not as high pigment count paint, it'll simply give off a weird texture or grainy look, and that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for a natural, smooth coloring, a tint per se, over the whole model. In this video, I'm using a very organic model. This is a pink horror made by GW. Because this model has so much natural musculature, it's going to look very dramatic when we hit it with that tint, and we're going to actually be able to see the zenithal. It's going to nice fade into the highlights. In this video, I'm using a marked down craft ink. You can use Citadel's contrast paints, work very well. I also recommend looking for artistry inks. If you are going to use ink, I recommend practicing on your hand or on another piece of paper just to see how that ink's going to come out of your gun. Make sure to water it down, but I wouldn't recommend using water. In this video, I actually use flow improver, and I do about a 2 parts flow improver to 1 part ink. And that's it. It's really that simple. It's the simplest thing you can do, and it really improves your models, takes them to that next level that we're all looking for. This has been James Knight Studios with another Miniature Minute. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy what I do here, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.